So we're traveling up from the glaciers on Mount Adams. It's cold, it's windy, it's adventure hydrology. Hey. It's pretty neat that on this volcano there can be something as thick and as cold as, well, ice. What's even neater is that this 12,000 foot mountain has actually been carved down to 8,000 feet twice by these glaciers. And it just builds itself back up. Taking a break here on Mount Adams. It's the biggest volcano by volume in the entire range. It's bigger than Rainier, bigger than Hood. We'll be sitting on top of it soon. We're at the summit, Mount Adams. Ice, crampons. You know, the journey to get here is kind of a pain in the butt. But man, it is absolutely worth the view. See 4 volcanoes from here.